Hey guys, this is Dr. Herb. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Blood supply, and this is of the internal capsule. So the first one is, let's look at the anterior limb. So here in the anterior limb, it is the recurrent artery of Hubner. And when you look at the genu, it is the recurrent artery of Hubner again. And there is also carotid artery. The Charcot's artery. The Charcot's artery. The Charcot's artery is nothing but the lenticulostriate artery. The lenticulostriate artery, and there is an artery of the cerebral hemorrhage. So there is a lenticulostriate artery and the artery of cerebral hemorrhage. This is Charcot's artery. Next is the posterior limb. Posterior limb again includes the Charcot's artery, that is a branch of the middle cerebral artery, and the anterior choroidal artery. So Charcot's artery, anterior choroidal artery, and also the posterolateral branch. So anterolateral is a branch of the internal carotid artery. There is a branch of the internal carotid artery. Then comes the posterolateral branch of the posterocerebral artery, sterolateral branch, and this is nothing but the posterior, the cerebellar artery, cerebral artery. Next is the sublentiform. So sublentiform, it includes the ACA, antichoroidal artery, as well as the PCA, that is a posterior cerebral artery. That is cerebral here, posterior cerebral artery. Next is the retrolentiform. Retrolentiform part, this includes the posterolateral branches, and this is of the posterior cerebral artery. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.